The future of Joomla development. Joomla is a free and open source content management system (CMS) that has been around for over 15 years. It's a popular choice for businesses and organizations of all sizes, and it's used to power millions of websites around the world. What is Joomla? Joomla is a powerful and versatile CMS that gives you a lot of control over your website. It's easy to use, even for beginners, and there's a large community of Joomla developers and users who can help you if you need it. The future of Joomla development. So, what does the future hold for Joomla development? Well, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, Joomla is still a popular CMS, and it's not going to disappear anytime soon. Second, the Joomla community is very active, and they're constantly working on new features and improvements. Third, Joomla is constantly evolving, and it's becoming more and more user-friendly. What does this mean for you? If you're thinking about using Joomla for your next website, I think it's a great choice. It's a powerful and versatile CMS that's easy to use, and there's a large community of developers and users who can help you if you need it. So, there you have it. That's a brief overview of the future of Joomla development. I think it's a bright future, and I'm excited to see what the Joomla community comes up with next. Associative We provides IT services, Android and iOS app development, web development, website, digital marketing, SEO, YouTube marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, and market research service. Please contact us via WhatsApp at 9028850524. Email info@associative.in. Website associative.in and associative.co.in.